Wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. You help assembly or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality, and follow more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extending wheel bolts. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. The benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.